What's the meaning of concentration? Concentration. Concentration.
Concentration. Concentration. Concentration refers to the ability to focus one's attention on a specific task or object. It involves ignoring distractions and maintaining a consistent level of mental effort. When a person has good concentration, they are able to complete tasks efficiently and effectively without getting sidetracked. Additionally, concentration is important for learning and is often required in academic or work settings. People who struggle with concentration may experience difficulty staying on task, being easily distracted, or having trouble retaining information. Therefore, it is important to train and improve one's concentration skills.